I'm here in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank in Spokane, and I'm joined by two very special guests. We have Liz Schneider, who is a potato farmer in Pasco. Thanks for being here.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
And we have Laurent Zarati, the chef and owner of Fleur de Sel in Spokane, the creperie. We love your crepes.
Thank you very much,
Yes.
Christy. It's so good to be here.
So they are going to be helping me taste test some recipes from allrecipes.com, which is a cool website based out of Seattle, and you can find everything on allrecipes.com. And today, the recipe has to do with potatoes.
We have the expert here, you know.
Expert. So tell us what kind of potatoes you grow in Pasco.
We grow for processed potatoes. We grow a russet. If you go to fast food, you're going to find a French fry of ours there.
Awesome.
And little baby potatoes we grow as well.
So what is like your favorite kind of potato to make dishes with, like roasted potatoes or?
I do like just a plain roasted potato with just a little olive oil, rosemary, pop them in the oven.
Yeah. What about you?
Even the little
I
ones.
love fingerling potatoes, you know, because you can eat them with just like that, you know, dip them in an aioli or sauce. But, you know, a great thanks to you guys, farmers, because without you, we couldn't do our job.
Thank you.
Awesome. So the recipe today is lemon pepper potatoes from Chef John. And Chef John says these are tender on the inside, crusty on the outside. They make for an impressive side dish, but he says the problem is that this might upstage the main course because they're so good. So let's give them a try.
I'm excited.
Yes, I can't wait to dig into this. I guess when I'm thinking of roasted potatoes, I didn't think of like a big slice like this. I think of smaller
And that comes from a variation of a traditional dish called pomme fondante. And it's a classic, but it has a technique to it, you know. You roast your potatoes and then you braise it, and that's why it's so tender inside and so crispy outside. It's so good.
That's delicious.
It is. And the potatoes are good. The russets are the best for that.
So you could make them smaller. You could use smaller potatoes and do the same thing as an appetizer.
Let's see, Got Recipe said that these are so worth the effort.
Yeah.
She says be careful with cayenne pepper if you don't want it too spicy. And then Lynn says outstanding, family loved it, chopped up the leftovers the next day, sauteed in some olive oil for like a breakfast.
Well, that's perfect for a hash.
For a hash, right.
Perfect, yes.
That would be good, wouldn't it?
Yes. Right.
So I know, Liz, with processing potatoes for French fries, they're usually pretty big. Maybe you could send some up to me and we could make gigantic.
Yes, we could. I will bring you a tub next time.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Chef John, for the lemon pepper potatoes. They're really, really good.
Yeah, new recipe to try.
To get the recipe for these roasted lemon pepper potatoes, visit wagrown.com.